Hello YouTube, this is The Bucket, and I'm coming at you today with something a little different, something I've really never done before, and something I'm kind of excited to bring to you. I was on the interweb when I got a notification that Palmetto State had what they call blemished kits. So what that ostensibly is they go through their manufacturing process, and if at some point in time in the line they see a cosmetic blemish, they put it off to the side, and then they will sell it at a discounted rate. And with the pandemic and all the craziness that was going on, ARs, AKs became like crazy expensive, and I didn't have the opportunity to do anything with ARs. I have my home defense AR, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to work on something like that. And so I saw this and I bought this kit. I bought it on a Monday, and today is a Thursday, and I already have it at my doorstep. Now, Palmetto State was awesome, and they put it in a nondescript covering, which I've taken that off. I'll put an image up, and then it comes in this really nice looking box. When you get it, it'll say if seal is broken, package is damaged, check contents before signing receipt. Although I did not have to sign a receipt for this one because this is not a firearm. This is a set of parts. And when you open it up, you have your upper, which is complete, which is nice. This is a carbine. The top of the upper is complete. It's got the plastic hand guard. It's got the traditional sight with lanyard loops, muzzle brake. When I looked this up, and I don't even know if it'll pick up on here, the blemish that they had seen, yep, it won't even show up. It's so small. It's right there, and you can't even see it. And it's just a teeny tiny little scratch. Other than that, this thing looks brand spanking new right off the factory, and it is ready to go. It said it came with everything that you needed to build an AR except for the lower stripped receiver. So we're going to go ahead and open this bag up, see what she comes with. You've got your pistol grip. That'll fit nicely. You have got your telescoping stock. Just kind of real basic. That'll work. That'll get the job done. You have your buffer tube assembly kit. All packaged one at a time. That's really nice. And then you have your lower parts kit in Palmetto State Armory. And these are the things that you need to assemble your lower. Pretty neat little deal. And now you say to yourself, but Bucket, there is not a gun here. Well, I went out to the Riker and I picked up an Omni Hybrid, and I have seen videos on this. A bunch of them have some negative things to say about it. It's polymer with steel inserts in the important parts, the load-bearing parts. I'm excited to put this together. Now, I have never done this. Now, the UGD and I go over to the Goat Whisperers Ranch, which is a buddy of mine who has a gun range on his compound, and he is an AR guy. I'm a pistol guy. Now, I love my AR. I love handguns, and that's primarily what I do. But I thought that the YouTube and the bucket supporters out there would be kind of interested to go through that process. So I'm going to go over to the Goat Whisperer's house, and he has agreed to walk me through the process of assembling this lower, putting this AR together. He is quite the rifle shooter. He likes to go prairie dogging. He likes just anything all dude, and I respect him, and he is somebody who's going to help me get through this process. So this is just a first look. I like the Awake the Iron that they put on the box, and that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Assemble this, let you know how they run when we get them out of the box, and I'll have some fun range time video with you guys as well. Again, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Go ahead and hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about this, and share with any friends that you think might be into this content. And you stay classy, YouTube.
I learned a lesson. Never half-ass two things. Whole-ass one thing.